look at your Concho Valley weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Dan Smith, your weather authority.
Well, we have only one lone storm to speak of here in the Concho Valley, but here in San Angelo, it's just been another dry and seasonably warm day. Outside right now, we are looking at 91 degrees being recorded at Mathis Field. So again, seasonally warm, pretty nice there. Dew point 66 degrees, putting our humidity at 43%. That's the part that's making it not feel so nice out there. In fact, I know Mason felt close to 99 degrees. Again, felt like it was not the actual temperature, but still kind of a scorcher today. Winds from the south at 7 miles an hour. I would expect that to stay generally in that 5 to 10 mile an hour range for the wind speeds through the next 24 hours, and that should continue at least up until Wednesday. I think it's going to be a little breezier. Again, I wanted to reiterate, this is a tropical funnel. This was seen funnel cloud Grape Creek just around noon on Saturday. Thank you to Tristan Riddle for sending this photo in. Again, tropical funnels, really, this spawned from a garden variety shower. I don't even think there was any lightning with this system, but it certainly created quite the commotion in Grape Creek and the north side of San Angelo. When this happens, you're certainly well within your right to be concerned about it, but rarely does it touch the ground. In this case, it did not, it appears, and even rarely, more rarely, does it even cause damage. Now, onto that storm that I was mentioning just down here near Sonora. You can see it sort of pushing in. We're going to zoom in. You can see it just a little better here, just touching off a few lightning strikes. You can see them there just before quickly dissipating, so really not too much to speak of. Again, severe weather not expected over the evening hours, but we are pushing just a little closer, so I think Sonora may see some rainfall in the next couple hours. High of 91 today. Normally we should be at 94. Record of 108 set back in 1994. Low this morning right on key, 70 degrees. Record of 54 set back in 1985. Now for the month, as of Friday night, 3.16 inches, but on the year, we only needed to get to that 16.71 inch mark before we broke the record for last year's entire rainfall totals, and we did so, and we did it even before the halfway point on the year. Just incredible stuff. We're looking at 90 in Ozona right now, 88s in El Dorado and Sonora, 90 in Junction, and 92 degrees in Mason. Moving on to our northern counties, 90s in Big Lake, Mertzen, Robert Lee, and Sterling City tied at 94 apiece, along with Ballinger. You're winning with the weather prize this week, this $250 gift card from Academy Sports and Outdoors. That's courtesy of Auto Wrangler Pre-Owned Cars and Trucks. So get your entries in. Log on now. We'll be announcing the winner of that wonderful prize this Friday at 6 o'clock. Forecast for tonight, 71 degrees, partly cloudy skies, although we do have a chance of storms off to the north and west. I think Sterling City, Robert Lee, maybe even down to Reagan County, Big Lake, Crockett may have the best chance for storms, but again, it is fairly slight. Only a couple models suggesting that. Otherwise, 94 degrees for a high tomorrow. It's going to be another warm one, partly sunny skies, and potentially some isolated storms in the afternoon and evening hours. Taking a look at your Weather Authority extended forecast. Wednesday, another pretty warm one, 95. We start to build in a little bit more moisture, but it's not really seeming to touch off anything so much as cool our temperatures off just a little bit in time for the 4th of July. Carolyn?